This is Ranger Kid Will Ross, editor at worldsweeper.com. We're at the 2015 National Pavement Expo, and you'll never guess what we're looking at. Yes, it is a NiteHawk sweeper, and this is John Day of NiteHawk, and John is the sales and customer service specialist at NiteHawk, and he's going to tell you not only a little about the sweeper, but why you can see him, but you can't see a sweeper behind you because it's camouflaged.
So we every year NiteHawk supports a charity. This year and last year we decided to support the Disabled American Veterans, the DAV, and because of that we have our camo wrap on our trucks, on our sweepers. So with every wrap truck that we have, NiteHawk will donate $1,500 in your name to the Disabled American Veterans.
And in case you couldn't hear him talking because we're at a trade show, there you go. And it's a fabulous promotion and
a worthy cause.
And a worthy cause.
Also on our website, if you go to our parts store, we also have camo hats also for a $25 donation. We'll send you that as well. So we are big proponents of the DAV. It's just a great cause, and we're glad to be able to support them.
And my guess is if you don't want a hat, you can still donate that $25.
Absolutely. If you don't want a hat, you can donate $25 or more. That's
absolutely.
You know, give till it hurts. That'd be great.
Yeah. And nothing like the cost. So what kind of sweeper is this anyway?
So this is our NiteHawk Raptor Edge. This unit is actually LP and gasoline powered, so you can actually switch between the two of them. It is a bi-fuel truck. It's actually a pretty simple
Don't we have
setup.
to buy fuel for all of them?
Yeah, you do have to buy fuel, but this one is as both LPG and gasoline.
Ah, okay.
There it is.
Now we go.
Bi-fuel and dedicated, so it'll either run on propane or gasoline, depending on which one you switch
So
to.
how does that work? If I'm running on LPG most of the time, the station's closed, I could just I've got gas in the tank.
That's correct.
And,
so this one carries 60 gallons of propane on board, as well as 33 gallons of gasoline.
Okay.
So, and the truck actually will start, whenever you turn the engine on, it actually starts on gasoline. And then it takes about a minute to 3 minutes, depending on the weather, for the liquid propane to change into a gas station. It actually heats up, and when that happens, it automatically transfers over to propane.
Okay.
So that's how it works. So, and we actually, when people buy one of these trucks, you actually, in order just to not have the fuel go sour in the gasoline tank, we actually recommend that you run, one tank a month, or one tank every other month through.
Okay.
Yeah.
And is there anything you want to tell us about the sweeper? It looks like an air sweeper from here, parking lot.
That's correct.
Class, single engine, of course.
Yep. So NiteHawk is the originators of the single engine sweepers, where they're all hydraulic. They're actually belt driven off the crankshaft of the truck. That crankshaft drive actually powers a hydraulic pump. That pump in turn creates pressure and flow. That pressure converts back into kinetic energy through a hydraulic motor, which in turn drives our turbine. Benefits of it are pretty obvious. The first one is operational costs. These are between 30 and 50% cheaper than any auxiliary engine sweeper on the market. As well, this unit is quite a bit quieter, so good for the environment, good for the noise ordinances as well.
Sure.
In addition to the NiteHawk sweepers, they come on a 109 wheelbase like the Raptor, as well as our Osprey sweepers that you've probably seen before. They're on a 3/4 ton trucks, either a Ford F-250 or a C2500 GM.
Okay. Anything else you want to say about this, or you want to tell us how to find you?
Definitely come look at us. We're at NiteHawkSweepers.com. Give us a call at 800-448-9364. We're happy to help you out.
All right. And it's NiteHawk, N-I-T-E, Hawk Sweepers. And since these guys are located just south of Seattle, and I'm located just north of Seattle.
That's right.
And it's a couple days before the Super Bowl, we're saying,
Go
Hawks! All right, I'll have to